Look at this bra.
Good morning. It is now 5:15 and I'm driving to the airport on the way to Inuvik. I am flying through Yellowknife and then I think I have some stops in between. Come with me. I feel very lucky to be traveling with Cora, my friend. We had an empty seat between us. We arrived at the hotel and there was so much beautiful art. We got JC tour. I'm hoping JC will open up her own business where she does tours around Inuvik. I think like it would go crazy. So JC, this is me telling you to do it. In the evening, we went to go have dinner at Alistein's, which was such a cool experience, and they had really lovely food.
Nice view of the town.
Look at that. I got that in a small sticker. This polar knowledge. Look at this bra. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god.
That may give you a little bit of a wedgie.
That's really nice. Wow. This is a really cool experience.
We had yummy fish tacos. This is my colleagues from Entrepreneur. Yay!